Hello friends, welcome to Arms Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss one very interesting concept from the chapter Body Fluids and Circulation. आप लोग ना बॉलीवुड के बहुत सारे मूवीज देखते हो और उसमें एक होता है लाइक हार्ट मेक्स द साउंड धड़क धड़क धक धक. So let's understand what our heart makes the sound. Is it true whether it makes the dhak dhak sound or dhadak dhadak sound? So let's begin with the heart sound concept. Now for you I have given the structure of human heart. Like human heart, like we have discussed about the human heart, its internal structures. Here when I am talking about the heart sound, I am more interested about this tricuspid valve which I am highlighting, as well as this mitral bicuspid valve. At the same time there is this pulmonary valve, pulmonary semilunar valve, as well as there is a aortic semilunar valve. So whenever we are discussing about the heart sound, we are discussing about the sound made by these four valves. So first heart sound, let's understand. First heart sound is lub sound. Now one interesting thing I will tell you, the heart sound is made because of closure of these valves. Whenever these valves close, like whenever we clap, then the sound is made. Similarly, whenever there is a closing of these valves, there is the sound. Now whenever bicuspid and tricuspid valves close. Now when these the valves are going to close? Whenever there is a ventricular contraction or ventricular systole, that time these two valves close. Thus this sound is also called as systolic sound. This sound is called as systolic sound because it occurs due to the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. Whenever bicuspid and tricuspid valve close, correct, whenever ventricles contract. So first sound is called as lub sound, caused by the closure of bicuspid and tricuspid valve. So the first sound is lub sound. Let's discuss about the second sound. Now this second sound is peculiarly heard whenever there is a closure of this aortic valve and the pulmonary valve. These two are the semilunar valves. This sound is called as dub sound. It is produced due to the closure of pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves. Now when does these valves close? Whenever ventricles diastole or they relax. Whenever the ventricles they come back to the normal position or whenever they relax, at that time this sound is produced, or at that time pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves close. So this sound is also called as diastolic sound. So this is also called as diastolic sound. Now you might have understood, our heart doesn't make dhak dhak or dhadak dhadak. Our heart makes the sound lub dub, lub dub. I hope you have understood this clearly. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, stay connected for more interesting concepts.